So today I'm going to be making my own Christmas wreath using all of these ornaments. You know those cute little ornament wreaths? They sell them at like Michael's and Hobby Lobby for about 60 to 80 bucks. Let me check my phone. Because I was in there the other day and I took a picture. Because I saw one in there and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. This is a wreath that I saw at Michael's the other day. It was $70. And I just want to let y'all know that all of these products were not even, they weren't even $50. I don't even think they were even $40. Maybe pushing 30 something, even if it was that much. I will say that I was blessed with these products. When I was checking out at Hobby Lobby, a woman named Vicky paid for my things. Shout out to you, Vicky. I don't know if you would see this, but I appreciate you for blessing me this holiday season. We're gonna get right into this tutorial, or this project, I must say. Is a foam wreath. They sell them at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. Some ornaments, of course. Color to your choosing. Different size ornaments. I got some really tiny ones, and I got some other tiny ones that aren't so tiny. Other than those ornaments, I have my own ornaments that I got from last year. They're just like silver and they have like little designs on them. Yeah. So the first thing you're gonna do is take your foam wreath and some ribbon. I chose this pretty sparkly silver one, even though you're not really gonna see it, but whatever. And you're just gonna take it and you're gonna wrap it around the wreath. And to keep this in place, just take a little pin, you can see that, and stick it in place, and it just stays. So this part is pretty easy. Wrap it all the way around. Okay, so now your wreath, your foam wreath should be completely wrapped with your ribbon. I gotta go get some scissors. Once you cut your ribbon and it's all wrapped, you're just gonna take another little clothing pin and stick it through styrofoam and your ribbon, keeping it in place. And since my ribbon is a little bit wide, I'm probably gonna use another pin right here. So now you should have a completely covered wreath. And as you can see, pins are keeping it in place. And now that your wreath is covered, it's now time to put on the ornaments. So to place the ornaments on your wreath, you're just gonna need a hot glue gun. You're gonna start filling in the center first. So I'm gonna take some of my medium-sized ornaments. Start off in the middle, and I'm just placing these just to see what they look like before I actually do glue them down, just to get an idea of what I'm getting myself into. I'm gonna try to make like a pattern. I'm gonna start. I'm actually a little nervous, so I hope this turns out okay. did have a little gap right here in the front. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like a little tiny red ornament right there in the front, but I think that looks fine because it's going to be different sizes anyway. So the next thing I'm going to do is the outside, and on this side I am going to mix in some of my gray and silver ornaments. They are a little bigger, but I'm going to mix and match those with the red and white ornaments on the outside using the same method I did on the inside. Now we're just going to put them on the inside. And while I'm also using some of the little ornaments, I'm also going to use some of my big ornaments too in the center part. Just like freestyling, putting a few different sizes here and there. So as y'all can see, the ornament wreath is coming together quite nicely. I just need to fill in this center part right here, and we will be good to go. So those are my final results for my wreath. It's all dry now, so I can pick it up to show you guys. So cute and festive. I was going for like a little candy cane look, hence the little ones that have little candy canes on it, as you saw in the details. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for my other videos on this 12 days of Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.